welcome. Nope, because my blinds open. Close your blinds. We welcome you to the house of Ebon, where all your dreams come true. So today, you guys, I'm gonna give myself a little spa. Okay, I'm gonna show you my nighttime routine of how I take off my makeup, how I get myself settled for the night after a long day of having a beat face and having it try to melt off. And I'm gonna just give myself a little spa while I'm doing it. If you're new to this channel and you're new to me, hi, I am Eric. This is my house of Ebon. Welcome. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe and comment down below and let me know what kind of products you use to take off your makeup at night. Let's get into the video. So first, what I like to do, I like to take my wipes. I got these from like your local Walgreens, CVS. They're just makeup remover wipe. I like to do this step first, and I use at least 2 to 3 just to get most of the makeup off. And I don't try to rub so hard around my eyes, because I notice if I do that, then my eyes start to kind of hurt a little bit. Not hurt like bad, but just, you can tell it's a tingle sensation. Now I'll go in with the second one. Oh, my beauty's coming off. I'm just playing. In our next step, I go in with I gotta get more. I really like using this oil cleanser. This is the Neutrogena Ultralight Cleansing Oil. After I wipe my face with my cleansing wipes, makeup remover wipes, I go in with my cleansing oil. So after you use that, you just want to get your face wet.
It's disgusting.
So after that, I like to use my Studio Selection face wash. I have different face wash. I have this one. I have a Smart. The brand is called Smart, and it's a gentle face wash from Target. I also have another rose water face wash, and I got that from TJ Maxx. I have another face wash. It's a gentle wash by Equate from Walmart. This face wash, and I also have a bar of Ambi soap, and I got that from the beauty supply store. I'm gonna rub it in my skin for at least a minute, at least close to a minute. I try to get close as possible. So when you wash your face, not only do you want to make sure you use warm water, you want to massage your face wash into your skin. And now we rinse. Our next step is to use our mask. I'm gonna use this Freeman mask. It's the Polishing Charcoal Black Sugar Gel Mask Plus Scrub. So when I use this, I just mainly, let me use my other hand. I just go in my main T-zone areas. Alright, now I need my mirror because I can't see nothing. With this mask, I don't normally use it every week. I mean, not every week, every day. I use it at least twice a week. So if I use it on Monday, I'll use it Sunday of the next week. And now we wait 7 minutes, okay? I washed off the mask. And with that scrub mask, you want to Add warm water to your fingers and then massage gently the scrub. Like I believe that activates it from the instructions that I read. So now we're gonna go and get our boiling water because we're gonna do a nice steam bath. Open up our pores, get all the gook out, and then we're going to minimize our pores with cold what am I saying? With cold apple cider vinegar water, okay? So let's go. Before I go to bed, there are a few things I like to do. So this is the ending steps of my nighttime routine. This is my vitamin C daily face serum. This is by the company Radience Labs. It's a botanical based skincare brand. And it smells lovely. It smells just like citrus. Get a nice amount and get it all over my face. My next product that I like to use is the Rose Serum. It's by a K-Beauty brand. I'm not sure what brand it is, but I'll make sure to put it in the description because it is made in Korea. And so I got it from TJ Maxx, and I'm literally, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm literally almost out. So I have to see if I can find it. Now moving on to our moisturizers. This is the Ambi Fade Cream. And so as you can see, I have it was a bump there, and it was there for like 2 weeks, and I finally had got the whitehead out. And so now it's starting to fade away, and I have a few other dark spots around my face. And so I like to use this cream just a little bit and use my ring finger and just pat it on there. And so anytime you're putting moisturizer on your face, you want to use your ring finger because it puts a less amount of pressure on your skin. So what other place do I have a dark spot there? My forehead. Now we're moving on to our Pond's moisturizer. This is for dry skin. If you've watched my other skincare video, which you can go watch right here, you know that this is for dry skin. And so mostly I have dry skin right here between my eyebrows and right here. That's normally why I have dry skin on my face. Everywhere else it's either normal or oily. And so I just like to use a good amount of this on my face before I go to bed. And I just pat it in. One more step. I like to go in finally with my Studio Selection Cucumber Hydrating Facial Mist. It also has aloe in it. And so aloe is a cooling mechanism to keep your skin from being red or irritated. And cucumber also soothes the skin. Oh, this also has chamomile extract in it. Cool. There you have it, my nighttime self-care routine. See, we're glowing, we look refreshed after a long day's journey. Make sure you're doing this every night before you go to bed to make sure you take all that makeup off. Make sure you comment and let me know what products you're using for your nighttime routine. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at House of Ebon. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at House of Ebon. Those links are down below in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye!